So I'm going to show you how to change the combination for this TSA padlock. First of all, you have to make sure that your shackle is open. And then you pull your shackle off and turn right. And push it down, turn right again. So it will stuck at here. So now you can change your combination to, like, for example, 111. And remember to pull it back. So your new combination is 111. And there's an inspection window. Now you can see it's green. If the customer open your TSA padlock, this window will turn red. So it will remind you to let you check your luggage if you see this window turn red.